First, take out of all items from the package. The package includes monitor, U bracket, solar backup camera, cigarette lighter adapter, Type-C power cable, USB power cord, charger, antenna, screws, windshield bracket, 3M sticker, manual. Install 2 of the antennas to the monitor at the same time. Attach the third antenna to the camera. The camera is a strong magnetic base that can be attached to any metal part of the car. Remove the protective film from the camera before use. Flexible camera angle adjustment. Press the power button to turn on the camera. When the camera is turned on, the 3 indicator lights at the back are blue, indicating power status. When none of the 3 lights are on, the camera is dead and needs to be recharged. Press and hold the power button to turn off the camera. The first is the charging indicator. When the camera is charging, the indicator is red. The camera supports solar charging. The first indicator does not light up when not in the charging state. The camera can be charged using Type-C. Connect the other end of the Type-C cable to the charging port on the side of the camera. The first indicator is red when the camera is charging. Remove one side of the 3M sticker and attach it to the bottom of the bracket. Remove the other side of the 3M sticker allows you to mount the monitor on the dashboard. You can also use the monitor mounting screws to fix the monitor. Loosen the nut. The bracket can be flexibly adjusted in angle. After adjusting the angle, tighten the nut. You can also use windshield mount. Loosen the nut and remove the U-bracket. Loosen the nut. Align the stand with the holes on the back of the monitor and snap it in. Tighten the nut. Flexible bracket angle adjustment. Remove the protective film from the bottom of the bracket and install it on the dashboard windshield. Press to expel air and pull down the buckle to secure. After adjusting the angle, tighten the nut. Connecting the cigarette lighter adapter to the display. Plug the cigarette lighter into the cigarette lighter outlet. Press the red button. The red button lights up. The monitor lights up and the image appears on the screen. Take out the USB power cable. Connect one end of the USB power cable to the monitor. There's a power on/off button on the USB power cord. Plug the other end of the USB power cable into your vehicle's USB socket. Press the power button on the USB power cord to turn on the monitor. The monitor lights up and the image appears on the screen. Press the power button again on the USB power cord to turn off the monitor. Touch the first key to turn on/off the screen. Touch the second key to enter exit menu mode. The third key is the confirmation button. Touch the fourth button to switch channels. Touch the second key to enter the menu mode. Pairing mode is not available when the channel has an image. Touch the left or right keys to switch to the picture. Touch the third key to confirm. Touch the third key to select. Touch the left or right keys to adjust the brightness. Touch the second key to exit the selection. Touch the left or right keys to switch to the contrast. Touch the third key to confirm. Touch the left or right keys to adjust the contrast. Touch the second key to exit the selection. Touch the left or right keys to switch to the HUE. Touch the third key to confirm. Touch the left or right keys to adjust the hue. Touch the second key to exit the selection. Touch the second key to return to the previous interface. Touch the left or right keys to switch to the mirror flip. Touch the third key to confirm. Touch the left or right keys to select the mode you need. Touch the second key to return to the previous interface. Touch the left or right keys to switch to the system. Touch the third key to confirm. You can set the system time, turn on/off the guideline, and switch languages. Touch the second key to return to the previous interface. Touch the left or right keys to switch to the record. Touch the third key to confirm. You can turn on or off the recording loop recording function as well as format the SD card. After a while, the system will automatically exit the menu mode. Turn off the monitor's power. Use tools to remove the back cover. Insert SD card. Close the back cover and tighten the screws with tools. Turn on the monitor's power. Touch the second key to enter the menu mode. Touch the left or right keys to switch to the record. Touch the third key to confirm. Touch the left or right keys to switch to the format. Touch the third key to confirm. Touch the left or right keys to turn on the format the SD card. Touch the third key to confirm. Touch the second key to quit the menu mode. When the rec appears in the screen, it indicates that video is being recorded. Touch the third key to turn off the record. The record function is turned off and the rec disappears from the screen. Touch the third key again to turn on the record. Touch the second key to enter the menu mode. Touch the left or right keys to switch to the play. Touch the third key to confirm. Touch the left or right keys to select the video you want to watch. Touch the third key to confirm. Touch the third key to pause or play the video. Touch the second key to quit the menu mode. When you insert a new SD card, first format the long touch the third button to turn on the guideline. Long touch the third button again to turn off the guideline. When the guideline appears on the screen, long touch the fourth key, the H appear on the screen. Touch the left or right key to adjust the height of the guideline. Touch the fourth key, the M appear on the screen. Touch the left or right key to move the guideline to the left or right. Touch the fourth key, the W appear on the screen. Touch the left or right key to adjust the width of the guideline. Wait a few seconds for the letters to disappear to save successfully, or touch the menu key twice to save quickly. Touch the fourth button to switch to the CM2 channel. Touch the second button to enter the menu mode. Touch the third button to enter the pairing countdown. Turn on the camera. Make sure the camera is off before pairing. The image appears on the screen to indicate successful pairing.